Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful blur background effect for your videos using Wondershare Filmora. This effect is perfect if you want to give your videos a clean, professional look, especially when working with portrait-style footage or vertical videos. Don't worry, the process is very easy to follow, and I'll guide you through each step clearly. So let's jump right in and get started!